Giriria buna na kumanya abo mapema ni tukurerero nimbwata bageni me studio ase turachi kukwanira igoro ya timu ya Lowland Starlets etimu eye kurugusi eye butorera etiket yokoswa ase ekimeno kliniki ya Women NSL uchakira season yogocha maiga yokoba ababwi ase ezone yabo igoti nkwana amange abanyene bariga iga bachiko yarera bwikirano etimu yenga ya chakirete na boigo na kyo gwetoma kuruki nki yakolire inchira gocha mbaka yekire asiyekirega goswa asekimeno kia NSL elinde tuchiko ya kwanira bwikirano igo onyore eyene timu ekero chitimu kurugusi chigendete na chiro chigwetoma kwebutorera chiticket ao na boigo goswa sibiminano ao na ko represent omugusi omogima ase abeta igo ntachigo tugutachinsa karibu sana imeye studio abageni barero elinde tuchiko manya omotegereri na boyo tuchiko kwanira subwagare mbiye muna sokwera chinga kicheno cha bene gwikirana chi studio cha Getembe Television kurasa nsemo ya negaiga amalietago na boigo naki nkiawokorase etimu ya Lowland Starlets.
Asante sana samareta ngurugurona la yaro mwani head coach ya Lowland Starlets.
Okay. Asante sana ase saidi yende.
Ya mala senjeli baba samalieta Nixon Obiero ose Abraham. Engineer director na ndai wango take role ya team manager.
Ya Lowland Starlets.
Lowland Starlets.
All right. Biyamono igo omwanchwa omurigereria imeye studio Lowland Starlets nigo turachi boniga kuringoria gukwanira etimwe na boigo korora inkieke Lowland Starlets yebwatiki ya kabisa mbaka yebutorire eticket ase obwangomono ntagitito chake no mo director bwetimwe okoba etimu ego chakira no echakirete kogenda gocha tomanya gocha konyora no nyane coach badai igo bona director ase obwagaligo totebi historia ya Lowland Starlets na boigo inkerengo kiki ka gerete kika ku inspire ogateba Lowland Starlets tiganye chaki
ambia mano sana senjeli baga Lowland Starlets yo na ichageta so mwaka 2022
2022
talikale njusi
2 years time. Okay.
So yendo kia gerete ngelinga previously na lenga se na wate team yabamura Ria FC.
Ria FC.
Yego chesa county league,
Okay.
Nyamira county. Wano akero asaba mura gocha ko tira gochi kidaraja jaigoro na verega sana.
Ego ategete ntoke ku continue.
So litangani nganyaranga dogo talent chechinyaruka.
Yes.
Lakini tichibu ati monto gochibwata koboko. Nalenga chikuligereria kana akajisabu nganyoranga kara murogo chakera sub county league asaba nyaruka ngo chakera county na gotira uchigoro
igo banyaruka turi guchakira sub
turi guchakera sub county asengenjo nande toro chine na kanya talent icho gochiriki sana kwa moja gochibekera nyamono ene county ngima.
Yes.
So ndenga ke sabu ngateba ngaya tigato chake team ye chinyaruka iyo era bage ko represent Nyamira county because previously team ya lengo Rontombe
Okay.
River Plate kera ya tirete ka division 1 kera ya tirimboka na ende no roje challenge una chirase mopiro yo.
Yes.
Egatoka ngabona ndento bwa team ende active Nyamira iyo kairira ngalengera linga tiganye chake.
Okay.
Aliri ko megeti.
Okay.
Yeah.
Igo no chakirite galiri goma gocha igo long term vision ya unereri yarenge kero gwate beti gonye chake.
Endo na gota ikiagera to ngachake timu ye na singenje na nyorete nga within community yo mugusi nto bwata banyaruka bange sana bagwa kumpira bya nisakoliyo nani orali nto bwanyaruka chike cha sabya sana.
Yes.
Lakini kurunsa kubanacha
Yes.
ndo bwati monto
mbaka bachikorolekana igo
kitamba cha korolekana bono tiba bwatira ne platform. So that's why na chagete nga create a platform. At least ngalenga linga na bora nyona na into within say to na boko nyole binyaruka mbiro.
Yes.
Lakini nande no manyete community yaito kero bakaro mwana nyaruka wako mupira na bo bakolenga linga kiwono chinyaruka chacha wako mupira ngenje
community guidelines ngota oyore nene chabe iganorochi
lakini ndenga tebanga tigato babekaria.
Yes.
At first yagara twachagete ntwanyolete opposition ya nene sana kenkiege ya chakire gaiga basike bana wako mupira.
Okay.
But finally boniga bali balenge go kagera ngakero kende negento kialenge kebe.
Yes.
Lero na ubale chifani chine ne sana
chimupira chie team.
Yewa.
All right. Ekiro to kuligirira iga ongwa chagete watete ya at first yalenga kongo enchira yago ya scouting nere rina kiwa kore to kabareta boniga ukanyora players ochakeri yomete gochaka na kongo na kiwa kore to.
Ono bona nagotebia etimu njalenga ali koro kutombe.
Yes.
Tombe na kayefuatirire sana nego chesa. Kero yegete karaba lietali active.
Yes.
Abanyarukamba le bagachesero na bamaeta bange no bale koru within.
Yes.
Se Itali. Iboni kairira baragwasinjira bamaeta 1 on 1. Ngaraba ligi.
Yes.
Kero na baligia nande korwa no mata nywa twalre birengera libyo chake gento. Wikwanje nande go spend.
Okay.
Otale oligero na sechi school chiko chesa. Identify.
Yes.
Abana bali abayabo wa kumpira.
Yes. Buya kabisa ukabanyora then nakiwa ikaraste kuligere lina ntagete bono enero togoteba na support system yago magaga ige coaching staff nini nakiwa ikaraste kuligere lina boigo support kina baruba commented.
Bono akero na chake timu ile. Akero to chesa regional league.
Yes.
2022 season 2023. Igona lenge pero gocha kukora chaka yeweka.
Coach.
Na ye coach.
ATM.
Ayo munyagitari. Na yo ko.
Iba no munyagitari.
Ayo ko gaji uniform. Yo ko munyagogigeti ali na match yechuba. No je to understand the manga na bunyagitari. Lakini rende na nyolete support korwa se mungu na logoro kwa Edward. Ochenge.
Yes.
Edward Ochenge sawe kale matongo. Tournament nja kunya miralia.
Yes.
Yomo swati yomo heshimiwa. Kwa Irene Mayaka.
Yes.
Ngaraka wate timu gete kuruali alikoro kumwancha. Ono ngajanga mwakire siminga motiotachi esa league. Ta wanje oche to bwatara ne birengera linje kona chakire league.
Yes.
Agachicha gante itigato sirane. Omuntu no yokoro Duke Mageto.
Yes.
Yole coach boni ya Global Connections.
Okay.
Just Division 2. Duke actually na nera cheta sinja passion agansira inale kumwakana tukaja kubwaterana mpaka tuhakikishe timu ya ikile division 1.
Okay.
Awona sere lakini reno wano mate mbara nora wangantu awete promoted.
Yes, mbara we na kiwa ligago teba ibuna ya chagete gocha mpaka wano tatebe so far whatever 2022 mwa chagete ukaligereri ukarangiria bande uka scout ya players bande tombe River Plate whatever players bache in place boniga kero wachakaga before motaraso boniga se promotion yemwa so ire you ya retre by the omogoko sana musasuko. What were the challenges inchiraga gono gwiterete?
Challenge ne chinyingi more especially akerora yebweka support your team.
Yes.
The team koyeran is very expensive. Na ande gocha ko amasisha abantu baito bakabarole obuya bwo support your talent yo mwana nyaruka. Nega sian kongo sana.
Yes.
So koruli tangani ntwara nyolete nuna nagote bir assistance.
Yes.
Livyo kukageranga nabonda kwanire na mweshimiwa getan support. Livyo gochakera. Kwanyoranga asenge njogenteke nabashimiwa ma tata getegento gekongsawa ntaban. Bono litera manyekana buya. Wiko nino na chingoko chiao oni mboli hakikisha mwachiro mupira.
Antabago chabatano bokige timu munini mwe komoko nyarumo gwaka.
In fact regional ingimapi.
Yes.
Ndoberati clubhouse, ndoberati camp. Iko nalo ikalitu kuli mupira na kachisimi. Na barangeri kuru so baya twasangiririkana ali bako mupira bunalisaga. Ono nabokonya runde tayo. Mwanya lero mukalo jesana nando 8.
Okay.
Lakini ndenya saga anja. Tukacheza season ya regional.
Yes.
Tukaqualify wa division 1. Division 1 last season.
Yes.
Tukaba namba 4. Ndoje tuko qualify go NSL. Lakini nde buna nyasaro muya season ye into to top ko zone C.
Yes.
Automatically to qualify go NSL.
Wow.
Ya women. Thank you.
Igonga
no isa koligereri ndiro letibira simono ndi motwe irora iga bono nana tonya gusaba nyasaye nga
Eh.
ase ebirengera bibiri tobwate na passion
Yes.
ya football because otatwara the passion yase wancho omupira oyo in fact toko rusiba ya omubuko support
Okay.
katika birantu wali tukanyora aba bono keroma te timu yakora buya
Yes.
amashabiki yakora gentu ki agocha
Agocha.
nabara ibaito nabarabu bagaso igati at least nabokonyora kero tukale kwa numpira nonya nakuru kwanyora noena balimu abandi ki principal
Yes.
mbarabu nabo bakwaigwa mo deputy wili yabagotebinga ya ntore in partnership na barabu
Yes.
nonyageke school nero na barabu nko gosira na tora sinje umupira oyu
Yes.
bono ritukale kwa ndeme pira na una baruto ja twaba bwatera
Abantungu ichura pale.
wa mubori ngalende bono na intunto koyete abana bako chiasere school na kitoko nyara na ne transport okora gento kieke togekera bata
And the support is okay?
Yeah.
Konyora muri nkori se prepared bale?
ngotema baruma ya tumundu na kwachiri bubere igo go supportiri.
Okay, ekero tokurigeri bana director, mugachega mpaka boniga you have been promoted. Evolvement ne riri kwararire ase enkoyo y'abasubati. Inki ya mentre okobana rigere tigari nonya nekerare gukwana belt November maiga ya timu iri ya Bullets. Kobwa nigatebete buna umupira no mukongboniga bw'abasubati okongire gubwate competition nande no rigereria ni goboniga agetubona bune premier y'abasubati igo yagetumba ka the last minute which konyora omubwi na kyo kurigere development ye umupira w'abasubati
Kero kurigere liboniga na previously in fact boniga umupira no moko.
Okay.
Korumaga ga mupira yo kwanza toka rukirunonya football oyo bwe kinyaruka
Yes.
igo karukiru legipo yani ngala bo ba ko bitana maguru njere ndonse lakini boniga to bwate machiko lakini boniga na bonga mpira onde bonse na bonga mpira oli bwamura
Yes.
naende akero kuligero ligo chibosia iga okorango mupira w'abasubati ngo chiole ko babuya ko bwana eno mupira omen
Okay.
asengenjo buna to kwana iga eligi to kwa ya division 1 federation nero no okay no nyane na sel
Yes.
federation nere wakana chire fali intwege ndogyoka ayekia bachesachi geti
Yes.
onye kore home wakishe ambulance na kala to yendo nero oro ne bintu biri bitakire bire in place of course ne challenge na ande tali rice ko binyora but mbaru setia ka musigoro iwe goro kingaki federation FKF they are ready to support the women football in Kenya.
You chiti mnachikwa kana chira fali?
No. Igo ba wakaniro.
Na ambulance?
Ambulance chira chine chitimu.
Okay.
Ambulance wakisha kwa pukirie venue asimo chiasara. Amone bintu binde security.
Okay.
Because akero home.
Yes.
Ama fans yo madere ndabona nagote iba buchire. Pamoja ni bale temechando bali mbago ya kumanya fans.
Okay.
Home team ni mo ko responsible.
Right.
So
okay, biya kima ekero tokurigere ligiga nongo tabatore buna batemire FKF ngo temire inkiro cheke bwende tekokorekana monoko nye support gwikirano asikero kenda se FKF go support inko yabasubati nande kibabwente comment
bono ntweki according na intubuna bali to stakeholders for football.
Yes.
Akaro okoligereria FIFA go support the women football.
Yes.
Lakini bana kwa mana konyora mono chiba chiri koru FIFA chikende chikoru CAF chiko usekana mangana ya enkoyo ya basubati iko chiko nywera mona ligo le premier o chance gaiga endo bago turuserne yechira falichoka.
Okay.
Ebinte bingoma eteno ene mepire bakolarigiri ile daraja ya juu eligi ya igoro kabisa
eliyo wa attract by the way
abantu alosaba into ekito expected unabona mwana minto koro kukerubo mumanyi.
Yes.
Na role gali buna ene ya women ono in fact na bwate birengera libya sana unabona ka tu achia sa women cup.
Yes.
Na to letter for the first time sponsor.
Okay.
Ya lego ego baka bono tiraera ego support abachezaji ne sponsor yegendo yakore kia kwanye kurumaka yego yale kora tachibe sonye ne timu ile kobwa yakora gento kie kibaewa but this regime egendo yale atireki angelinga ebe asege go direct go jesimi yo mochesaji ngana ande tiga ngatigira ara eta sigete kirubaga te bangera sinjo igaro raso go support abachezaji abachinyaruka agatebanga chinamba chiabo chibe kwali chire buya nande bagotomerwe lingi bakonfirm nganabo nebi bande byabo so that ebese yabo yakora gentuki yasoalia mase mubaye nyora igo nambe yemo batemire nande twaro saba se league onyendiri yale konyara because ne roro bono nechira chire batolierete ngakiri bale kuligi chikura igora ya president na bali bande ba national level bono nande sponsorship yale go chansa echego cha NSL women echego cha division 1 no nya regional so that ntobwata chi talent chi nyingi lakini asengenjo yo ogo tenyara financially na kige kogera kero kende no ene chi talent chi nyingi totanyale go identify bana.
Asante sana ntakitora kiriria kegabo turasoa aneni mono giga ase coach nera ara tutebi abera tuto coach kero kende giga kwa raire team te ase giga kengana na ki kwa raire timu ya Lowland Starlets
raire team ya Lowland Stars for one season and a half.
Okay. Ike kwa sote season ni bari div 1
na yewate the D1 the last season.
Okay.
Season yene na inyokiri the whole of it.
All right. Kikwanye bwete last season inki kyarenge in your mind akero bwachite gwatabete kuna bono kwa iru birandi ngebi inki kwa bwatete gwategete kero kendo what was your vision net team?
Okay, in terms of ogo join Lowland Starlets. Kwanza ngira nemega akena bete inspired to join football, women football.
Yes.
By Lete Doyori. Doyori medenero alini introduce kwa women. Na alenge football enthusiast na nje to mupira.
Yes.
Then aganjoin ngacha une team ya Gusii Starlets. Then aganza kumbua to what is needed in football, in women football. Like it's not a common football like the other men. So ngajoin ngacha after abulende ngacha Kisii Queens. I was the team manager of Kisii Queens. Tuka generate akere ansete twalengi witana sana na Abraham regional. So from there tukamenya waswalende Abraham to ngajoin Abraham last time from Lowland.
Yes.
Kenasa Lowland we had to have anticipated go pande league. I really appreciate to join Lowland. They can nachitenga nyora technical staff now na executive very very supportive.
Yes.
So go chakwa nororo. We sat nachete mid season on first league kwenye nga join tokate bono ngitoko liki.
Yes.
We really needed to get that promotion last season.
Right. Biya kabisa igiga boniga otebe na to kuligere ligiga na ki ugo prepare your team both mentally physically na boigo imiro biliki obabekirete kero kenda machiko naro okuba obegeta sori gosokuba de tomera nesta tadie getigete
kente getanga nyomete these are ladies. Yes. And they go deal now basically it's a bit challenging ake. Ntobwate strategies abana ne kambi bali.
Yes.
So una last time totatirete this time when I to target lazima timotire.
Okay.
Because they are spending on the league is very expensive. So lazima na inome the coach. The coach omeze na vega sio tena tekendo.
Player kunyara no wali lakini coach
target lazima. So wachezaji you train.
Yes.
Like now we have been training from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Maybe I can want to watch a game on Saturday, then Friday you go after those fun games in go prepare mentally, which is a game here weekend.
Okay. Kero kende giga your challenges when a coach ayo monyene asi abana babanyaruka ekero mogusa wata abana ki ni challenging go deal na girls na we go nonya fans go sim management.
Okay, challenges ine chinyinge ente tanga nyume tana wana baiseki. Unakubuka lero it matters a lot.
Moods.
What? So you must know how to handle them at that
Yes,
time.
yes.
So ngote matole at our level best.
Yes.
We deal na banyaruka.
Uh-huh.
Being the opposite gender, you understand.
Yes.
So first you must observe them. Naende lazima irane mpaka asibali.
Yes.
Ili ndo time ku reason and mpaka wawe very open with them. Na liara have easy kokotebye problem abo.
Okay.
Take ara challenges chava swat chirocho are a bit different ni chavamra.
A touchline you got in coaches, you guys, you 90 minutes. Now sometimes complaining to a officiating matters, na kira kwa nire igure officiating.
Okay. Season ienda tebe imekuwa imekuwa mzuri kwetu. Juu tumecheza tumepanda ligi. But sasa innovation inakuanga a bit gocha aba kongwa yake ikiaro konyora referees are not being paid on time.
Yes.
So ekero kwenda in some matches na bome they are easy to be compromised ikiara.
Yes.
At the end of the day not fair.
Okay.
So I will wish to request the FKF let the referees be paid early.
Yes.
In that no ekera gocha egakubyo mupiro mete they have been taking these women so kekara mete ngogenda mbugi gaiga ngeguse maybe you wabambura o compensate wa isiki.
Yes.
So that I will take that advantage sana ikiagera bamete mpiro yo ngojo bwibosa nabonda abetinywa kanu.
Okay.
So kwanyora manipulation ngo kalereki ngotemere also in between, so at least
Yes.
the referees ba officiate ladies football babe treated equally.
Okay. Coach Godil na tebe kirokendo kwa role player flani mahali flani no tagetena kinta kitoko chinche gusenta kitoko leto player yo enamberi abwaka no rio rengi bwaka gali nkige kogera kwa rana kino I need a change elindo kwa kora you change sekero kwa letere another player.
Okay, that's in terms of signing again
Yes.
tanga ningoli the capability to every player. Yeah, players have different capabilities.
Yes.
So to mchezaji in first ngoli what do you have in place, then what do you need
Yes.
on that same position. So equally nabakonyora they have the same capabilities, but oyo manaro what a bit potentially goro ugoyonde. Bringing another new player doesn't mean that you're very worn out. It's only that in football is a game of contact. Anytime injury na vigoja ekero ya chirinki yeko. So you need a backup place at least in case of anything. Naenda mede ndombero tota avoid it's there.
Yes.
So these players ekera what do you have ngoko replace. That's when to collect a new players.
Kora torekero anene mono chitimu chiko nyagutira aguchi ase another edaraja yende kwanyora overhaul nere uchi yakorwa new players baretwa in place abali batire tie team kwanyora na babere guse loaned out guse kwanyora na bara bekiru kan kidogo. What do you think kirachi happen when one mwachira NSL? Do you think of any overhauling?
Yete tangano mede different leagues needs different approaches. We have been playing Division 1. Division 1 is an amateur league.
Yes.
Okay, it's an amateur league, is a third tier in the Premier League. Ekerogo panda, the higher you go.
They could like become.
So
we call them a hot.
It will be much hotter. We are going to meet more experienced teams.
Yes.
Like now in SL, you will not going to undertake. You will get team relegated from the Premier League.
Yes.
They are coming to NSL. Now
Kisi
you are
Queens were.
Kisi Queens Yoroche Nwere. Now it's going to play their second season in NSL.
Yes.
So meaning
Experience.
the more you go up, you need a bit experienced players. Most of the time we have been using students. N'abachezaji bara bachesirake, but now you need more mature players. What I think league, what kind of pressure league?
So we expect to see new faces.
A lot of new faces.
Kowati ana omufanye kero kuligere ya team management meto mdosi nwara mwenye kwa nane walkover. Na leo mdosi hata wengi hata nikoleza shule sasa team kwa nane walkover.
On that we appreciate sana our director on that. Yendo tanga ni twanya kwenda na walkover. Twanya kwenda na walkover, twanya ku dream of giving out of walkover. Mpaka ikarondo che bisinyete. They look on every means yo kwenda we game to honor the match. Mpaka bunabona twatirega. Na equally onye ndito engwena ne walkover ngetwa yana ne tikale. But they really push for it.
Buya kabisa igaiga ekero tokunya kurigere nande nene moni igaiga gento oko girls yaba kero kende mupiro yuwa basubati ngwaka nuri
abona so wakana you know first mupiro it's passion in the tangani ikyagara if you look on wide of it mupiro generally obo lino director kusengole dole chibesa bali doleta they only spend out so okonyora mostly kede team what a sponsorship na ronda tebe ngocheria give allowances na maybe monthly allowances but for us I really appreciate our director and our CEO ntobate one Mutari Okibo Ruben they really try at least we give that allowances every match ikuba togoro mupira ntobate allowances
kira kwani ligoro ya ladies football whatever you were inspired and you are there kira tabi no nyamba the other coaches because upcoming coaches bali bategete ko kobeka ama gorabo ime ase ladies football
kitu ya kwanza tawakaribisha buna ntutu wakaribishe twin these women so kegara anyandi twanyora to bantu bakugimeri maybe we will not be here so igende tangani to kubakaribisha igendo yakabere babe very much aware mupira was what a lot of challenges and babe set to face them wisely na baba sakoba go spend mo kegara at the end of the day let them spend to help these young talents. At the end of the day, like now yesterday we were at Nakuru watching the Premier League, the playoffs, the women NSL. Funny thing, one of our players, Yorengelo Land, was the Jezi 4 Kwaro Kobekera Kayole was Shelly was part and parcel of this team. Sasa kuko Kayole. So ukiangalia pia we have the likes of Emily Moranga. We are very proud of her. She Nero Motanga ni utubege dego. We were there celebrating her. She comes from within Kisii. So tiga bantu bato wajitokeze wasaidia wasichana wakuje at least I'm very sure. Nende stay single ku encourage you come out here or sports ya ladies football. It's going to be a good competition.
Okay. Director ntakete orarige iguru ya ngwakwanira iguru ya sponsorship kero kendiga etimo yebon nibo ate sponsor buna eguchikoso ya soire nesa
ndia mana sana ndobo ate sponsor actually una coach ya tevire una bono gotwika gatiga abasani inje na chagete team bon abasani bali banuma ete bono nje na nje nko baliginga kamara anja basikaba muwaja mumbu ate sirendege nteke abande bali ba understand they support like now almost kenaro bega gotusira sana almost ke okorokwa Ruben Okibo Mutari actually last elections igona mubwate setitugo ntamubekere tigene ngabaronta ete kugosira ngegera nawo chongorere gintu giti batirenda kerona yara ikagatika beranyora ngana inje nimbwate biasara gaiga bia passion akambori ngwa kana birenga mutaikende nkeyo neje basichoka to support kuri mubuko yeito aganjerana fagitwa agwaterana nere up to this far nere tu abeto gosirana nere mono ngonyore ndiri nere ale wikasigetiga step back awanyoranga kero keno twara gutwara challenges uneji kwa boringanga ambulance kero kende tikagetina bintu binde onyore to ko dogged out points onyore nganto kole tigento ndori go succeed
na sel nebwate boni kabno moguchiko so nebwate unkutara murasi sabari ni tambe guchiko preparation in place
preparation injiringa bona barai baito timu yema tabana yarura maoka itoye number 1 to chagete njebueka toro jibona ya expand eki tora tigengeringa ki Nyamira County engima kubata baraya bange sana ne timu ye in fact Stacy kero kuligere chi county chinde na wana Trans Nzoia Falcons akere goche mepira no ega igana yalinge sameta iga chusi tu gocha tole twa goche na konye kisequence akere gochesa Trans Nzoia gocha ne bus ye county ya Trans Nzoia natembea baite korwali bakora gintu ki bagocha equally they to come from a county
Yes.
Bunyamira
Okay.
tubwata barai tubwata ndo banje tumupira twari gusabanga support yiri bagobeka gocha sti team kiri kinene
Yes.
kana baroba yira ni gocha gaiga at least nande inko inyori Lowland
Yes.
nare team boniga egochiase eligi enene pi in Nyamira county
Yes.
igo eyuega niri ngakero monto tobwante kobeka ebirengero liam anima tabaske bali naba yabale abande naro chemba to likrete chi message cha congratulations
Yes.
bagata inga bono tikatoche because we don't have a sponsor
Yes.
toche tobwaterane tosirane elinde elio mate te akoba buyano naye lero gwatwaliganiria
Yes.
mambio moja kuiunga Lowland tena mipira ebere tikalitia yomeka
Surely.
lege keke tirimboke
Igobonge county ya Nyamira na bo igane ni mono mugusio mugi masabeta
yeah
oko boni gachi timu kirene sala nibere kurugusi cya basubati Lowland na Kisii Queens yira chikoba biya anene mono gokonyora na twakonyire etimu eye tinkumanya kero chinsa na cyo kigendete komyoka anene mono aye asibote neribwe etimu y'abasubati gose mipira y'abasubati inkeke lyora kwane buna igwachagete from scratch mbaka boni gwatirire etimu nande nimetekerenga na kikoruga igango swamule mbaka nonye Premier ya Kenya.
Wane kinalo cha kwana ngelinga ki number 1 no kwerwa na abande mbale bale squad kero kende babwato bwoba na leko bateye babe Paul baba bale mukabisa batenene na bokora chechali gukoruri tangani lakini at the end of the day oko bumugwi
Okay.
igoti bakwe mioyo
All right.
gendo ya kabere ntobwate etimu ene ya Seitowaiga yabamura Shabana you know Shabana wano mate ne cult
Yes.
twensi buno mugusi na actually baka igoro twete kelichali unatokorekana iga twabulu ngatore bobe so meaning yani timu ne timu chete isko ya Kenya isko it is all over the world so twale wasabanga una bono ndire twa bate ndo bwati mepira
Yes.
bakabeke roko boko
Okay.
na utwale ko basabalende ngaki no yango chi next season bado asenjo ntobwati sponsor
Okay.
they can just give a hand mona asa evinto bune ito tumeka equipment aseba konyara egento kyomo elio
Yes.
ndata gote bangelinga stakeholders won't speak
Okay.
bagusi
Oh, yes.
na ande bali banje tumpiro women ekara wekamba mba kwanira bonsi nale ko basabanga ki una boni gana bonda nyole
Yes.
egento gete ketakire gokonya Kisii Queens
Okay.
nalo sabanga torusi chipoundari
Yes.
twanje tochamo buna bantu bali tobwate kirenge kemu
Yes.
gyoko bwaterana gusira mpira wa baswati elinde elio tokonya gitimu cheito
Okay.
cha baswati gusi because injiri nyinge nibere chioka as NSL na lendo bwate jidara chinde buna gusi Starlets.
Yes.
In fact Oyori I forgot to mention him na bete na nkonyete sana
Yes.
because no na advice nyinge na leo kala gintu kieke na lenge koboli
Yes.
so tiga tochamo tubwaterane twensi tosirane na inu buna barali and bono buna ya bono na no musubati
Yes.
just come out tubwata women rep ga bwata affirmative action
Yes.
kitimu icheto cha basubati na kitagera kanyara affirmative action
All right.
ndia mana sana
Asante sana soko irari bagaria bene lyo gututarira nawe gukwanira biya igoro ye timu iyo babo Samoroko wamesema congratulations sana mwalimu Nicodemus na bonsi beri yabe congratulations na bandi bagenda tukurya congratulatory messages nabo igokobata ebina babaganiria maya kabisa imbaka nto bwatega Mr. Wasike oyo leo machamani o National Syndemic Disease Control no abwate biyago tabana congratulations our part our own Premier League ne yabasubati ya Kenya bia mona soko irari bageriria bene nabo igokwenekerina amangana ni gari biya kabisa nande turachi torigereri tumirane tukwanire bwikirano ekero kimeno kie NSL kiego chaka toirane gana nande tutebia barai ba support team elinde twanyore bintu byonse. Asante sana soko ikirana imenye studio chetu cha Getembe Television mpaka chinga kichinde. Bia man.
Asante.
All right.